In today's video, I'm going to teach you adding a dynamic video text mask in Wix Studio. This effect places moving video inside bold lettering, creating an eye-catching hero section that loads fast and looks professional. I'll walk you through everything from opening your site to publishing and testing, keeping it simple and practical. Start by opening the Wix Studio editor. Log in, head to My Sites, choose the site you want to work on, and click Edit Site to launch the editor. Give the editor a moment to load so all design tools are available. Next, add the text mask element. Click the plus Add Elements button on the left, then search for text mask and insert it onto your canvas. You'll be prompted to pick a text style like a headline. Choose one that fits your layout and leaves enough room for the video to show through the letters. Select the new text mask and change the message. Click Change Text and type in your headline, for example, Explore. Short, bold words work best because they maximize the visible video area and keep the message clear at a glance. Now customize the look. Open the Customize Design panel, the one with the small palette icon. Choose a heavy font weight and adjust font size, letter spacing, and alignment so the word feels strong and balanced. Scale the element so it becomes a clear focal point, big enough to be noticed but with breathing room around it. With the element selected, it's time to add motion. In the floating menu, choose Change Media, then select Video. You can upload your own clip or pick one from Media from Wix. Aim for a short, seamless loop with distinct colors and steady motion that won't distract from your message. For reliable autoplay across browsers, keep the video muted. To make the text stand out, refine your background. Click the section background in your hero area, then choose Change Background. A darker color, a subtle image, or a very gentle video helps the video inside the text pop. If your text still feels hard to read, apply a color overlay in the design controls to boost contrast. Before you publish, fine-tune the crop. Use the built-in cropping or focal point tools to center the most interesting part of the video inside the letters. When it looks right, click Publish in the top right corner. Finally, view your live site and test on both desktop and mobile, checking that playback is smooth and the text is legible. Keep video file sizes small to help your page load quickly. That's it for today's tutorial.